Greetings and salutations, everybody. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having a splendid day. This is Jacob. Now I'm back with another puzzle. This time it's a geometry puzzle. Very interesting one. My first geometry puzzle on this channel. I'm debuting it today. Well, let's get right into it, shall we? There are three circles of radius r inscribed in an equilateral triangle, whose side lengths are x. The length of the line segment DE is equal to 3. The question is, what is the area that is enclosed by the three circles? Pause the video if you'd like to give this problem a try, and when you're ready, put the smack down on that play button. Okay, so how do we start out by solving this problem? Okay, let's start out by finding this line segment here, BF. Because this is an equilateral triangle, all the angles are equal to 60 degrees. And this line segment, because it extends from the center of the circle, it bisects this angle here. Hence this angle here is 30 degrees. So let's go ahead and put this line segment in terms of r. So using the law of sines, we have BF over sine of 60 equals r over sine of 30, which is BF equals sine of 60 over sine of 30 times r, which is BF equals 1.73 times r. Now, because of symmetry, the segment here, GA, is equal to BF, and the line segment, FG, is equal to 2r. So now we have x equals BF plus FG plus GA, which is x equals 1.73r plus 2r plus 1.73r, which is x equals 5.46r. And this is our first equation. So we have two variables and one equation. So we need one more equation to have a system of equations. So now let's look at this line segment here, DE. Notice if we extend this line segment all the way up to A, we get DE plus R plus HA, which is 3 plus R plus HA. Now let's put HA in terms of X. Using the law of sines again, we have HA over sine of 90 equals GA over sine of 60. Which is HA equals sine of 90 over sine of 60 times 1.73r equals 2r. So this entire line segment, AE, is equal to 3 plus r plus 2r equals 3r plus 3. So now let's look at this triangle ABE. Using the law of sines again, we get AE over sine of 60 equals x over sine of 90, which is x equals 3r plus 3 over 0.86. Now this is our second equation. Now we plug this into our first equation and we get 3r plus 3 over 0.86 equals 5.46r, which is 3r plus 3 equals 4.7r, which is 1.7r equals 3, which is r equals 1.7. So now we found the radius of these circles. Let's turn our attention to the triangle HIJ. Okay, this too is an equilateral triangle since all sides are equal to 2r. Hence the angles are all 60 degrees. The area of an equilateral triangle equals A equals square root of 3 over 4 times r squared. That's the formula. And so we have square root of 3 over 4 times 2 times 1.76 squared equals square root of 3 over 4 times 12.4, which is 5.37. That's the area of this triangle here. Now let's turn our attention to these circle sectors. Because of symmetry, they're equal. So let's calculate one of them. Let's calculate HKL. The formula of the area of a sector of a circle is theta times pi over 360 times r squared, where theta is in degrees. Since theta equals 60, then we have A equals 60 times 3.14 over 360 times 1.76 squared, which is 1.62. And the area of all three circle sectors is 3 times 1.62, which is 4.86. So the area of the shaded region is the area of the entire triangle HIJ minus the area of the three circle sectors. So we have area equals 5.37 minus 4.86, which is 0.51. And that's your answer. 0.51 is the area enclosed by these three circles. So yeah, that was a pretty interesting geometry puzzle, if you ask me. So if you have any suggestions on puzzles, and feel free to comment below or send them to me via a private message. I'm more than happy to post puzzles and problems that you send my way. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.